Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey nieces and nephews, Uncle Chris is here and I am back. Okay, I've been doing some healthy dishes for you guys because your Uncle Chris got to lose some weight. Yeah, for health reasons. Now, I did the diabetic friendly salmon, as you guys saw. Now I'm doing another dish that can also be diabetic friendly, but is very heart friendly. It is a twist on scallop potatoes. A combination of scallop potatoes and green bean casserole. It's delicious and it's good for your heart because it's got a ton of garlic. Now, if you're diabetic, replace the potatoes with cauliflower. Yes. Chop up your cauliflower, make that the base instead of the potatoes. I just have to get rid of a bunch of potatoes. Okay, without further ado, I got my skillet heating up back here. Let's get it started. Hey, nieces and nephews, what you're going to need: 5 cloves of garlic chopped up, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 cans of low sodium, can you see that? Green beans, and 5, what I got, 5, 6, well, 6, 5, yeah, 5. No, 6 potatoes, okay? Good sized potatoes, red skin potatoes. You don't even have to peel them, you can just slice them up, okay? The first thing we're going to do is put our butter in our heated skillet. Get in there. Let that warm up, melt down, and we're going to put in our garlic. We've got it on a low heat. Okay, the importance of the low heat is so that the garlic will roast and saute and not be bitter. Okay, when I add this to the butter, it's going to be heaven. And we're going to make a bechamel sauce. Also, we're going to add 1 can of low sodium, heart healthy mushroom soup to this sauce. All right, be right back. Now that the butter has melted down, I'm going to add the garlic. And I forgot to mention, you do add a can of low sodium, heart healthy mushroom soup to this, cream of mushroom soup. Yeah, okay. But first we're going to saute this garlic and get it, ooh, that smells so good, and get it to the consistency of a bit transparent and golden kind of color. You'll see. Oh, why, I say it all the time. I wish they had smell-o-vision. Oh, this dish has a ton of garlic in it, just so you all know. But did you know that garlic helps in vascular restoration? Yes, it does. Vascular flow and heart health. Garlic is essential. Look it up. All right, we're going to let this cook down and be right back. Nieces and nephews, we have golden brown nutty goodness. This garlic has sauteed to utter perfection. Oh, baby, bye. Okay. Now, you see this? This is about 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to put this in. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put it all in. And I just want to cook out that flour taste, because once again, we're making the base of our sauce. A bechamel, basically. You've seen me do that. Okay. We're going to cook out that flour taste. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit now, since I've sauteed the garlic. I just want to cook out the flour taste. I'm also going to sprinkle in some Uncle Chris spice. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now, go to my video and see how to make the Uncle Chris spice. It's the one where I say, I got jumped, Uncle Chris spice. Yeah, that one. Now, that's probably going to be good right there. I'm going to get some milk and add to this. I'm going to be adding at least 2 cups of milk, okay? A little bit at a time. Just to get it incorporated here. Now, I'm going to add a cup. I'm eyeballing it, but you all measure. Okay, I've been doing this a long time. Now, once this incorporates, I'm going to add the other cup of milk, and I'm going to add our cream of mushroom soup. Low sodium, okay? Heart healthy. Look for heart healthy. All right. Be right back. Now that that's incorporated, I'm going to add the can of mushroom soup without shaking the camera so I can you're dizzy. And I'm going to add the other cup of milk. Now I'm going to stir this together until it is thickened. Okay? Oh, yes. So it's all incorporated together. I'm also going to add in some more Uncle Chris spice. At least a tablespoon, maybe two, because I want some flavor. All right. Trust me, there's plenty garlic in this. All right, we're going to heat this till it thickens up. Then we're going to pour it over top of the potatoes and the green beans. Be right back. Now, nieces and nephews, that the sauce has thickened. It is lovely. Lovely, lovely. Ooh, I've taken the liberty off camera to shred up my potatoes. Well, I should say slice. I use my grater. And I've put some slices of low sodium cheese. That's right. I don't want to hear no hemming and hawing. Low sodium now. Okay? Low sodium cheese over the top. Let me put this last slice over here. I know the low sodium cheese seems to, hey, not have as much taste. But I think it's good. It don't have as much salt. That's what it is. So I'm going to sprinkle over top Uncle Chris spice. Okay? Which I showed you how to make. I'm using the last of my Uncle Chris spice on y'all. Then, we're going to take our green beans that I have rinsed and drained. And we're going to sprinkle them all over the top. That's right. I want to spread them out a bit. In fact, you know what, y'all? I'm going to add another 2 cans, y'all. I opened up 2 more cans and rinsed them. And I'm putting them in here because I want there to be plenty green beans in this dish, not just potatoes. Okay? Oh my goodness, I got so much. This is a 13 by 9 pan. Ooh, God bless you, Nina. She did a little sneeze over there. Yes. Now, get ready. Get ready. We are going to take our sauce and liberally pour it all onto here, okay? In fact, I might make some more nieces and nephews. I had to make some more sauce. But you know what I say? Don't worry about it. If you make a mistake in the kitchen, just roll with it. All right. I'm going to pour this sauce on top. Ooh. And I'm going to work it all in there. All right. Yes, yes. All right. Ooh. I'm going to spread it out and let it... I'm going to spread it out and let it settle all down in there. You hear the rotisserie going in the background. Yep, just spread it evenly to get it all down in there. Then you're going to bake it for 45 minutes to an hour, covered, in a 375-degree oven. All right? I'm going to do that right now and be right back with the finished product. Bubbling hot and right out the oven, ready to go. Nieces and nephews, look at that. Can you hear the bubbles? Now. Ooh.
So, Chris, what's up with the casserole?
Look. Hey, Jay.
I don't look my best right now, so don't necessarily want to be on camera. So, what type of casserole is this again?
Well, it's a twist on scallop potatoes and green bean casserole. I combined the two. Look.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Mine.
Mm-hmm. All right, you all. I'm going to let this cool down and set a little bit, and then we're going to have some heaven. Till next time.
Even the kitty wants some.
Oh, goodness. Look at Shy. All right.
Shout out Shy/Cat.
I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like I said, shout out Cat.
Shout out Cat. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Till next time, let me know what you guys are cooking.